Hello everyone and good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning Raghavendra.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning Altaf. Good morning Sheetal and good morning everyone. Cool. Yep. Let's come to the agenda. Where we are. Let's open the syllabus. Go to the homepage. Where is the homepage? Where is the homepage? Homepage. Go to the Cloud DevOpsHub website. Okay. In the website you will see syllabus and current page, day-wise syllabus, and in the syllabus, if you will come down. Cool. We are very close to complete the AWS. Today's we have to see how we can set up the continuous monitoring with the help of CloudWatch on any of the AWS instance. Right? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree? Yes or no? Mani, Keshav, Jyoti, Hani, Harshita.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Let's come.
Yes.
See, if we have to monitor our EC2 instance, CPU, memory, first I need an instance. Let's go and create an instance. I'm going to my AWS account. Okay. I'm closing this. I'm opening my AWS account where I click this. Yes, here. I'm in Mumbai. Looks good. I'm creating my EC2 instance. Okay. Uh, I need someone help. I need your name. Anyone, please.
Keshav.
Keshav, I heard. Keshav. Okay, Keshav, I'm taking all the by default configurations. I'm not touching it. Sorry, from my side. Keep here. I don't want to make it complicated. I'm taking it very simple. Okay. Networking, we are already aware. We already learned the things. I'm allowing the traffic. Okay. 8 GB, that's okay. Yes, till now, all good. Any question till now?
No.
No, right? Because we have did multiple times. I'm coming to the advanced option. Okay. In the advanced, somewhere you have to see that monitoring related setup. Okay. Monitoring, control F, MONIT. Okay. I search is detailed CloudWatch monitoring. What is this English says? What is the English meaning of this?
It is in-depth cloud watching, cloud watch
Correct.
monitoring. Yeah.
Correct. In depth, cloud will monitor this resource. If you will click enable, okay, he's telling some additional charges will be applied. I agree because I need a service. So definitely if I need a service, it will be chargeable. I enable this thing, additional charges will be applied. Basic charges will be applied for that. And I'm coming down and I'm clicking on the launch instance. As soon as I launch instance, basic monitoring will be there from the starting onwards. Okay. But this time some advanced level or some detailed monitoring is available with the help of CloudWatch. Okay. Chalo, I'm just going to the instance. Okay. Keshav instance is getting ready. Okay. Here, sir, how to check the monitoring? If you will come to the second last tab of our second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth tab. Okay. The tab says monitoring. In the monitoring, you can see here all the graphs, CPU, fail check, status, and so many network, this, so many graphs has been created automatically by default. Okay. As the instance is not yet ready, okay, we have to give at least 5 to 7 minutes so that this data will be gathered. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone agree? Honey, Jyoti,
Yes, yes,
Neville,
true.
right? Let's give 2 3 minutes. Let's discuss some theory and we will come back. Okay. AWS monitoring, CloudWatch, dashboard, alarm, logs, and metrics are the major feature. Let's go to the AWS only. Let's open the one more tab. Okay. CloudWatch. I'm just searching CloudWatch here. Okay. I'm going back. Okay. CloudWatch, CLOUD, WATCH. Okay. Monitor resources and application. Whatever the resources you are using in AWS, whatever the applications we are creating or we are running, all the things we can monitor. Logging we can do, matrices we can do. What is the difference between logs and matrices? Can anyone give me the answer? Logs, so we everyone know. Application writes some application related information, that is called logs, right? What do you mean by matrices or matrix? Give me the answer. Yeah, Shankar.
Parameters.
Parameter. Okay. In a better way, can you say? Answer can be correct parameter, but I need a better answer, better keyword.
It's for measurement. It's a standard format to measure something.
Correct. It's a standard format to measure something. Cool. Let's take a very simple example. This is the information. Okay, my Zoom is consuming that much, my desktop is consuming, my Google Chrome is consuming that much. Are you agree? Yes or no? This is the information for my particular application. But when I'm coming to the performance, this is the CPU information for my hardware. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yep.
How this data is getting generated? Because somewhere the value 47 or somewhere the value what we can say somewhere the values should is coming, okay, 4.2 or something, okay, based on number of processes, based on number of speed, number of things, the percentage is getting calculated and it is showing into this place. Are you agree with my point? Somewhere the values are coming, that values are coming from the matrix. Okay, the my system matrices are generating, they are providing to the task manager and task manager is showing into the UI. Task manager is just a UI. In the backend, definitely these values are coming. Based on these values, this percentage and everything is getting calculated. Whatever is the GB, whatever is the RAM, okay, out of RAM, 12 GB is available or 10 GB is getting used. So 10 GB divided by what we can say, 23 GB divided by 10 GB. Okay, 23 is the total. 10 divided by 23 into 100 equal to 47 is coming, right? So that it is calculating 47. Based on the matrices, based on the value, these graphs are getting generated, right? So here also the same thing will happen. Based on the value, based on the data, this data graphs will get generated. That is called matrices. Alarm. What do you mean by alarm?
So service at
Like a
certain
notification.
threshold.
Notify.
Correct. Notification. Okay. Or he will let you know that something is wrong or something good is happening. Let's take a same example again. This is my CPU. If my CPU reach 90% and it is in continuously into the 90%, means it is going to get break in some couple of minutes, or if the same thing will run, it may get break, right? So if it's reached to the 90% and it is continuously into the 90%, and if it's go beyond 90%, please let me know. That is called alarm, right? Please let me know, so that they will let us know that if some issue is going to be happen or something currently is happening, we will get to know that information. Agree? Yes or no? That is known as alarm. Okay. To set up alarm, we have to set up something, means where you need on Teams, you need on emails or whatever it is. We can set up these details into the alarm. Okay. Yesterday in the last class, we did this alarm setup over the email. Guys, are you agree? Have you tried that?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Nice. Okay. When the bill will reach to 100 rupees, you will get an alarm. Cool. Dashboard. What do you mean by dashboard?
Displaying various types of data visually.
Correct. In a single place, multiple things into
In
the
a single
single
place.
place is a dashboard. Okay. Same thing. If you will say you can't call, you can call as a dashboard, but dashboard should like everything should into the single place or single URL. That is called dashboard. If you will see here, if you will come to the instance, okay, this is a monitoring dashboard, you can say, but this is a dashboard only for particular this instance. And if I want to see all the instances in a single place, that we have to create a dashboard into the AWS account, or not into the CloudWatch, and we can able to see. It's still not yet come. Let me refresh it. Okay. Give some time. Okay. Give some time. Okay. And after that, where is what after dashboard? What is the thing? Service lines. Okay, service lines. This is means whatever the services applications are running, you can see that in my laptop. Can you please let me know what all services or where the services are running?
MSC.services. We have to
Services.msc.
That's okay. Straightforward. It is visible here. Service tab is there. Okay. In the task manager, service tab is there. Whatever the services are running, that information is showing into this place, right? The same thing in our machine, whatever the services are running, it will be visible into this service lines. Okay. Let's go to the CloudWatch. Okay. Explore one by one, whatever the options are there. Okay. Alarm, definitely whatever the alarms we are creating it will be visible. Today I will create, means last time we created a billing alarm. Today I will create an alarm on the EC2 instance based on your choice. Why it is not coming? Yeah, some dots came, right? Yes or no? Means percentage CPU utilization is 9% at this point, right? And some more things, network and all these things, these dots are started coming, means something is coming. In some couple of minutes, these dots will be connected, and the lines will get created because of this. Cool. We will see. We will wait for some couple of minutes. Now, you want to see this in a bigger way. You can enlarge this. Okay. If you will enlarge it, this graph is showing into this place. Okay, you can able to see this place. Now, as I told, this is a simulation for this machine, and you want to see the matrices, how exactly it is coming. You can click on this place, view in matrix. If you will click here, the new tab will be open with the help of CloudWatch. Okay, so this matrices, our machine name is Keshav. Yes, my machine name is Keshav. 6C28. Let's verify. I will open a new tab. Okay. EC2. Okay. I'm going to EC2 again. Okay. I'm going to the instance, and let's verify one more time. What is my machine? 6C28. Yes, 6C28 is my machine. 6C28 cache machine, which is running into this place. This has an average of 5 minutes. Okay, you can change it as per your requirement. You want the average of every 1 second, every 5 second, 10 second. 5 minutes is the standard, which is showing into every company. Okay, now you have a requirement. This graph is coming. This graph will be coming. Okay, no worries. This graph, you want to create an alarm for this. Because definitely if the stipulation, my requirement is very simple. If CPU utilization goes to 90% or 80%, give me the alert. Guys, I need an answer from your side. In your company, at what time or at what parameter or at what threshold the alarm is triggering in your company?
I have set it for 70% CPU.
Correct, 70% CPU. Okay, this is a alarm. Okay, this all are alarm. Okay, ALARM, but this is a medium priority. MEDIUM, medium priority. Okay, do you created any other alarm also over the threshold?
So memory and disk.
No, definitely CPU,
Okay.
memory disk, everything. I'm telling that do you have created the 80% 80% CPU alarm, one more, okay, for the high priority thing?
Yes, of course, some.
Okay, why I'm telling medium priority will be get triggered to the L1 or L2 team. Okay, if you have in your company L1, L2 teams are there, so it will get triggered to the L1 and L2 team. Okay, and this alarm 80% or 90%, whatever it is, it's a decision. Okay, what if 80% or 90% this alarm will be triggered to the DevOps or your managers as well, because something is critical is happening at this point, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If it's not, see, 70% is not taken care, it's okay, nothing will happen. Okay, but if it's 90%, if it's not taken care, your machine or servers may go down. This is a problem. That's why this type of two alarms will be visible in your company. Okay, 70% alarm will be triggered to the L1 L2 team. 90% definitely L1 L2 team will be required. Okay, plus okay, it will go to the DevOps teams and managers as well. Okay, so that they will understand that yes, something really wrong is happening. Now your requirement is, sir, I want to create an alert. Okay, or create an alarm. There is a tab, this is a button here is coming. You are able to see this alarm button?
Yep.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, where exactly it will come? Whenever you will go to any instance, okay, you will click on the matrices. Okay, as soon as you will click on matrix, in the matrix, on the action tab, this is coming. Okay, if you will click on the alarm, what will happen? The alarm tab has been open for this CPU memory. Okay, now your requirement CPU utilization, you want to give the name for this instance, just average 5 minutes. Okay, how much is the, guys, tell me the number, 70, 80, 90, tell me any number, please.
85.
85. Okay, chalo, 85. Okay, but 85 is not a standard one. Okay, either 70 or either 80. Okay, tell me the number between 70 to 70. 80. Okay, 80. Okay, this will be the upper side alert. Okay, not a low priority, it's a medium priority alert. Okay, greater than, see, as soon as I put 80, the line has been created here. At this point, it is showing into this place, right? The lines are coming into this place. As soon as this will reach to 80, it will supposed to trigger an alert for me. Cool, looks good. Okay, I'm good at this point. First page is okay for you?
Yep.
First see this. Okay, matrices on 80%. At this point, current is this, CPU, this instance name, average of 5 minutes. Okay, you can make it average of 3 minutes or whatever it is, your choice. 5 minutes is very standard. Okay, statics is greater than 80%. I'm clicking on the next. Okay, what you want? You need an alarm. Obviously, I need an alarm. Okay, alarm for the new topic, because at this point, whenever you are creating an alarm from the scratch, you must have to create a topic as well. I'm giving default CloudWatch alarm topic. Okay, CPU. Okay, for Keshav machine, KESHAV. Okay, I'm just giving CPU Keshav. Okay, where you want to trigger alert? Definitely some email, right? It's not an individual email, it's a your team email, right? DevOps team has a team DL, right? L1, L2 team has a DL, correct? You have to give the name. I am giving at this point my email, cloud@gmail.com. I just given my email address, and as soon as I will create a topic, what will happen? One topic will get created, means one format has been created to send an email on this. Okay, topic is a format will get created. I'm clicking on the create topic. One topic has been created. Now this topic has been selected for me. Okay, the notification will go to this person. Endpoint is this. In the interview, they may ask how to set up an endpoint for the email. Here is the answer. Agree? Yes or no? The question looks tough, but the answer is very simple.
Right.
Pratik has message into the group. He is facing means network issue from my side or your side,
I am not facing.
right? Okay, cool. If you are not able to hear me anything, let me know, please. Okay, cool. Yeah. See, at this point, I created the topic. Okay, the topic information has been here. What is my expectation? That if any DL or any email I configured, I'm supposed to get the confirmation over that. Let's verify that I get a confirmation or not. I'm just opening my email. Okay. 1 second. I'm just opening my email. Here is my email. Promotion updates. In the updates, I get a one mail. Okay. 1 minute ago that you have chosen a subscription default CloudWatch alarm. Means whenever you are choosing or you are configuring the endpoint, this type of mail will be triggered to the email. Guys, everyone do the verification, right? That you are triggering something, that it is yours or not.
Yes.
Right? AWS is also doing the same thing. He is asking the confirmation. Are you ready to receive the email? I have to say confirm email. But before that, I would like to show where exactly all these things are getting set up at the back end. Okay. If I'm coming here, EC CloudWatch, because at this point, I'm not using only one service. I'm using multiple services. CloudWatch, I'm going to the CloudWatch. In the CloudWatch, okay, in the CloudWatch, not in the CloudWatch, some SNS service will be there. SNS. What is the full form of SNS? Can anyone tell me?
Simple notification
Simple
service.
notification service.
Simple notification service. Notification will be get triggered on this. I created one Keshav with the name Keshav. Okay. Default budget alarm, full name is coming. Yep. Okay, Keshav. This topic has been created some couple of minutes. In the topic, subscription will get created. At this point, this subscription is telling that it is pending. As soon as I will confirm here, as soon as I will click on confirm, okay, the subscription has been confirmed. Here, this is supposed to be get confirmed. I am refreshing this page. Okay. As soon as I will refresh this page, this will get confirmed. Okay. Yes, it's get confirmed. Means in short, I want to say that endpoint is ready to receive the email. Okay. SNS, the work of SNS service is create a topic and make the subscription. That's it. Create a topic and your subscription is ready. Then email notification is getting triggered. It has some more options also. Text messages, push notifications, or text messages also. Push notification. Can anyone tell me what is my push notification?
So it's a
Well,
notification
buzzing.
in mobile. Something like that.
Correct. Okay. Over the application, you have to, they will say you have to install this application. In this application, the notification will be get triggered. What do you mean by SMS?
Like a text message we're getting.
Text message, you will get it. Okay. If you will use the text message service, you will use. But in the real time, in the companies, 80% or 70% are using the email. After that, some companies are started configuring the Teams also. Okay, or some, if you have if you want to use some third party notification notification service, they are using it. Okay, like X Matters, or in your company, what is your, in my company it's X Matters. In your company, guys, what is the notification service you are using except SNS? Any other open source? Yes, no, give me the answer. Which service you are using in your company? You are using. Yeah, Mohit.
Early, the Zabbix earlier we are using it.
Zabbix is the application. Zabbix is not triggering a mail. Okay.
Okay.
Zabbix is triggering a mail, but Zabbix is a complete application. I am talking about notification service.
We are using Slack.
Okay.
Slack, that's okay. See, you are getting notification into the Slack, you are getting notification into the team, you may get the notification over the email, you may get the notification over the WhatsApp also into the future. Okay, at this point, WhatsApp integration is not there, but there may be chances you may get the notification over the WhatsApp as well in future. Okay, so there are this many options are available or can be possible to trigger the notification. So let's come back here. I get the confirmation because as email is the very common everywhere it is using. I set the endpoint. Now, guys, I have a very general questions with you. Okay. If let's assume if my CPU reach to 80%, what is the solution? You are engineers, we are the engineers. What will be the solution? Give me the answer.
We will kill the services, whatever it is taking IUPS.
Shankar, have you worked into the production environment ever?
And not in real time. And my personal CP, we do like that.
But if you will do this in the company, your manager will be behind you. Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Right.
Right? You can't. See, let's assume my case. Okay. Zoom is consuming very high CPU. Can I kill the service?
No.
No.
No, right? I can't kill it because if it's consuming, let it consume because this is the primary service. Because of that, we are able to connect. Right? If it reaches to 90-95% also, I may not able to kill. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
Then what is the solution?
Increase the
We
hardware.
have to increase the
Correct.
size of
We have to
CPU.
increase the CPU memory, whatever is required, because if application can be optimized, if we can't optimize the application, definitely we have to upgrade our servers. Same option is coming here. If your CPU reach to 90%, do you want to use the auto scale? Okay. You can take the help from the auto scaling feature. You can increase the machine as well. Okay. In the real time, we may do this activity. Okay. Cool. Second option, guys, let's assume this Zoom is consuming and it's not a Zoom. Okay. There is no application, important application is running. Then what you can do? What action you can do? Who was telling? Shankar, right? SHANKR Shankar will kill the application. Okay. That's okay. Chalo. I'm okay. Any other person, anyone want to say something else? Not critical application is running. It's your general laptop. Okay. It is consuming CPU memory high. What you will do? They give me the answer.
Restart the service.
I haven't understood. Karthik, what you're telling?
We'll restore the service.
Restore the service.
Restart. Service
Restart
restart.
the service. Okay.
If we still
Yeah,
don't get it,
service
we'll
RES,
take a downtime and reboot.
but I agree. But at this point, I'm telling in my laptop, I'm asking very general question. It's in my laptop. Okay. My laptop is not performing very well. What you will do?
Reboot once and let's see.
You will restart the laptop and see, right?
Yeah.
Reboot the laptop. First option, guys. Reboot the things and check it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So you can do the same thing in the servers also. If you're doing the same thing into the laptop, you can do the same thing on the server as well. If it's a EC2 machine, it's a Linux machine, add action. You can set up the action also. What's action? Yeah, you can stop the instance, you can terminate, or you can reboot, whatever is your requirement. Okay. Most of the cases, see, if let's assume if engineer, okay, if your CPU memory is 80-100%, if nothing is critical running, engineer also will do the same thing. Yes or no? We DevOps engineer, as a first step, we will also restart the machine and check. If all good, looks good. If it's not good, then we will troubleshoot the some other things. Right? Are you agree with my point?
Yep.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
If you are ready, AWS can itself take the action. Okay, if it's reached to 90%, 95%, reboot the instance. He will restart the machine and he will try to fix it. So you can set up this option also, that if you don't require this machine, if it reaches to 90% or whatever it is, if you want to stop, you can stop it. You want to terminate, you can terminate. But these are the not real-time answers. Okay, you can reboot the instance and you can check it. Either you can reboot manually, that is also fine, or either you can tell to AWS also that restart the machine and see, he can do the same activity for you. If you want to make the automation, you can make the automation as well. This is called action. Okay, means if some issue happen, what is the action? Definitely email will get triggered. He can take the action by own also. Yes, there is the option. Cool, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Musafir is selling, then why the AWS had this option? Which this option? Musafir, tell me, talk with me. This option. See, everyone's requirement is not same, right? So if you want to stop the machine, you can stop it. If you want to terminate the instance, you can terminate. If you want to reboot the instance, you can reboot it. That's your choice. Okay. Cool. I'm choosing this reboot action. Okay. And I'm clicking on the next. Now the summary has been created for me. I'm giving the alarm name. What is the Keshav? Keshav, Keshav, ALARM for CPU 80%. Okay, you can make it some proper name. Okay, because in the real-time company also you have to make the proper name. You can give the name and you can come down. Okay, here I click on the next. Here the configuration is there: AWS EC2, this CPU, this instance, Keshav, static 5 minute, static greater than 80. Then send an alarm, send a notification, and then reboot the machine if it's not down. Okay, then action, and I can click on the create alarm, and my alarm has been created. At this point, whenever the CPU will reach to 80%, it will trigger an alert. Okay, and if it's continuously on 80% for the 5 minutes, it will restart as well. This is called action, as well as we can call as a alarm as well. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so like this, if you want to create 5 alarms, 6 alarms, 10 alarms, you can create it as per your requirement. Okay, now if your question is, sir, do we have to create it for every service? Yes, you have to create it for every service, because that's your choice. Okay, wherever you need an alarm, you have to create a 1-by-1 alarm for all these things. Okay, second question. Okay, sir, can we create a dashboard for this? Because now I have another question. Okay, I have another question. Sir, this is one machine. We can come to this place and we can verify the details. Yes or no? If it's a one
Yes.
machine, you can come to the machine and you can check it. Sir, I have a 50 machines. Is that possible? All the 50 machines can be available in the single place.
No.
Guys, is this a right question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right? I have a 50 machines and I want to see all the details into the single place. Yes, possible. You can move, or you can go to the, you can add to the dashboard.
Add to the dash.
Okay, we have to add this graphs, whatever the graph you can add to the dashboard. I am clicking on the here. Okay, and as soon as I will come here, it is asking me to add a dashboard. I'm creating a new dashboard, batch 32 batch/32. Okay, and I'm choosing this and I'm clicking on the create new. Okay, batch 32 dashboard will be get created. Okay, dashboard name you can give it. Okay, AWS INSTANC DSHBOARD. Okay, sorry, my mistake. AWS. Okay, it is not ready to take any space or something like that. Okay, I am giving the name like this and I'm clicking on the add to dashboard. Okay, sorry, create. First I have to click on create. Okay, and then this dashboard panel has been created. Now I'm clicking on the add to dashboard. As soon as I click on the dashboard, one dashboard has been created and this panels has been moved into this place. Okay, sir, this panel has been moved, but if I have a 10 machines, if I have a 20 machines, where it will be visible. Can anyone give me the answer? My question is, sir, if I have a 10 machines, hundreds graph will be there, then it will be very difficult to see all the 100 graphs. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you, if you understood the question, give me the answer. If 100 machine, if not 100, 20 machines, okay? One machine has a 10 graph, okay? 20 machines, then total equal to 200 graphs, right? Then it's very difficult to check it. Now, what is the answer? Let me ask the question. If 20 machines are there, every machine has a 10 graph, then total 200 graph will be there. Then if I will see down, 200 graph will be there. It's again very difficult. Now, what is the answer? What is the better answer?
Can we customize which are we required?
Yeah, obviously, whatever you can obviously customize here. Whatever you want to delete, you can remove, or you can delete, you can duplicate, you can edit, whatever you want, you can customize for this, obviously. Okay. But okay, I need some more answers. Go ahead, give me the answer, please. Jyoti, Harshak, Harshita, give me the answer. Mohit, Navil, Pratik, Sudarshan. Guys, fast. Please be fast. Yeah, Pratik, go ahead. Give me the answer.
No ideas, actually.
In your company, guys, in your company, is 100 graphs are there or thousands of graphs are there?
I used to monitor it using
How many graphs in your
CloudWatch,
company? Yeah,
but
how many graphs in your company?
it was maximum like 4 machines with separate graphs.
No, separate is not good, man. If 4 machines is okay, 400 machines,
Yeah.
then gone case. Okay. Guys, AWS is very smart. Okay. AWS is very smart. If you have a multiple machines, okay, all the CPUs will come into the single place. Blue color for one machine. See, blue color is coming for cache machine. Green color for another machine. Purple color for some other machine. Other colors will come and other graphs will be visible into the same graph. All the CPU will be into the single place. Okay. All the memory will be into the same place. Then you can create an alarm. All the CPUs, okay, of all the 100 machines, single alarm you can create it for all the CPU relation. A single alarm you can create for all the memory. Good? Yes or no?
So you mean to say that for 100 machines, 100 colors?
Yes.
100 machine, 100 colors. Yes, in a single graph, 100 colors will be visible. Okay. At this point, one color is coming because this is belong to this machine. Okay. Another color, another machine. That's it. You can create. I want you to create multiple machines, 2-3 machines, and give some time, 5-10 minutes. Okay. Because we given 20 minutes time. That's why this type of graphs are coming, right? You can also give 20 minutes of time. Multiple graphs or multiple colors will be visible. Got it?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
That is the assignment or homework for you guys. Okay, cool. Now, sir, can we check the graph for 3 minutes, 6 days, 1 day, 1 week also? No. If you have a data, you can check this for months, years as well, 15 months, couple of years as well, your choice. Okay. If you have a data, definitely the data will be visible for as much as long possible time. 3-year-old data also you can see it. Okay, good. Sir, now I have a one more interview question. Okay, you are working as a DevOps engineer. You develop this thing. Okay, you develop this thing. You have a multiple machines, 20 machines are there. Okay, now you have a L1 team. Obviously, L1 team will ask the questions with you. Okay, we need graph. L1 team is telling we need graph. Okay, we want to see the graphs. How you will provide them the graphs? Give me the answer.
So we can give them IAM user with CloudWatch access.
Mohit, I am happy. Yes, your answer is correct. I am user with CloudWatch, Cloud, WATCH, ACCSS. Cool. Yes. First step, you have to create a I am user for your L1 team. Okay. Either you can create a service account. Now my next question is, what is service account? You will hear these keywords in your company, service account. What is service account? Give me the answer. Guys, you are all are working in any of the company, right? You all hear this keyword service account. Have you heard this keyword service account, robotic account, or shared account?
No.
No, very bad. No one heard about service account, robotic account, okay, or shared account.
Shared account, heard.
Shared account, but I don't know.
Okay. Shared
Inside.
account, see, shared accounts means multiple people will use the same account, that is called shared account, right? Service
Okay.
account or robotic account, okay, is created for the application, okay, or for team. Because see, let assume I created a user Mohit, okay, Mohit user, okay, and if Mohit user left the company, then what will happen? His access has to be get removed. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
obviously. Yeah.
Okay, if the Mohit is a user, he is your team lead, he is getting all these things work done. Okay, as soon as Mohit has left the company, company will remove the Mohit access. Okay, that's a truth, that's a obviously truth. Then this is a problem, right? If other persons are using shared account is with the Mohit name, every other person will get affected. They will say that they are not able to access, and the problem is Mohit has left the company. That's why these other people are not able to access. It's a problem. So the solution is create a service account. Means it's a robotic account. It's an application account, not for the human being. It's for the application. You can give that L1 team access. Okay, L1 team account. L1 team service account, and then we will provide the access to L1 team service account. And if anyone will be there, they can all see that, because we are providing only this URL access. Okay, we will provide this dashboard access to them, or we will give the IAM access, and we will give this dashboard link to them. Here is the dashboard, you just have to see it. That's it. And in this dashboard, they can just customize the thing, they can delete, they can just change the things. Okay, that's it. They can't touch any of our server, they can just view this all things. That's it. Looks good? Get an idea how the exactly things are happen in your company?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Harshita, Aman, Jyoti, Ishad.
Yes,
It's like a view only, readable, or we can change something.
See, what will happen? We don't, in the real time, we don't want to take every responsibility. We will give the editable access to the L3 team, let them design the things, because it's just a design, right?
Okay.
It's not a big thing. They are telling that, sir, this is a very important, we want to see big. Yes, you can make it big. There is no
So-
argument that no, this should be small, this should be big, right? Whatever is important, make it on the top. Let assume he is telling, sir, this is very important. Let's take it on the top. You are feeling that network is not important, make it on the down. You can design the thing. Let them customize by own.
So we are giving access to particular service. That's it.
We will give the access to the complete
dashboard.
dashboard. Let them design. Okay. Because they can also do this whole things, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Otherwise, they will raise a ticket. Can you make the stipulation bigger? Then we have to take one ticket and we have to do this work. We have a better works, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yep. We will give this, let them design as per their choice. Okay. This is called dashboard tool. Okay. And now you can see here, yes, graphs are coming because we given around 20-30 minutes of time. That's why. Here you can customize the thing. You can see in your local time zone, you can see in another time zone. Okay. You can see the old historical data as well if you want. Okay. If you want to see, this is by default, this is coming into this place. Okay. In the instance monitoring tab, this all information is by default coming. But if you want to see on a detailed way, you can click here, manage detail. Okay. And you have to confirm one more time that I want to see the detailed monitoring of this into the CloudWatch. If you will confirm, okay, as soon as you will confirm, earlier if the graphs was 5, 6, okay, the graphs will get updated more. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, some more graphs or some more detailed monitoring will be get started for this machine. Okay. Okay, timely the graphs will come. Okay, we haven't counted, otherwise 1 or 2 may get added into this. Okay, because if we'll enable the detail, definitely it will get added. I already confirmed. Yeah, that's it, guys. Okay. And this is called CloudWatch. Okay, in the CloudWatch, we can primarily create alarms. Okay, alarm will look like this. Okay, CloudWatch, see, whatever the alarms are getting created, it will give some this type of graphs also based on alarms. Okay, I have 2 batch 31, 32 estimated charges. Let me refresh it. Okay. Whatever the alarms has been created, EC2, we have created whatever the alarms has been created for that will be visible in your account in this tab. Okay. Messaging, if you want to set up a messaging SMS service with the help of SNS, it's again chargeable thing. Okay, you can subscribe with the mobile number. It's very straightforward. You can give SNS to MOBILE. Okay, you can give the name, you can type the SMS. Okay, you can choose the item, you can choose the endpoint. You have to add your mobile number, you have to verify your mobile number, and that's click on the subscription. Then one OTP will come to your mobile phone, you have to give to them, and they will configure the SNS on your mobile phone as well, so that notification will get triggered in your SMS, in the SMS as well. Okay, but SMS is not very trustful service. Okay, because it gets triggered, or candidate is telling I haven't received, like that, lot of things will happen. There is no if the SMS has been written by or not written by, it's very difficult to check it. We have a trust on the email. We are using email from a very long time, and that's why the 24/7 team is available. If any notification will be get triggered, they will call you and they will inform you that some notification has been came. You have to log in and you have to check it, that part. Are you agree with my point? Is the same thing happen in your company?
Yes.
Right? 24/7, one team is sitting who is checking all the graphs, who is checking all the emails every time. Okay, and if anything has been triggered, first they will do in the company, first they will do the first level of verification. Is this alert is correct or not? If the alert is proper, if it's getting triggered again and again, okay, then he will notify to the DevOps team. If they have a run book, they can able to solve it, they can able to solve it their end also. If they are not, they will follow the ITL process, and with the help of ITL process, they will reach out to the L2 team, L3 team, or the DevOps team based on the issue. Cool. Yeah. After learning this part, okay, we have one more important thing. Yeah. Whatever we have learned, whatever we have created, delete everything. The reason is you can create anytime whatever we have created in the last couple of 15-20 days. Okay, delete it. If it's anything is running, definitely it is chargeable. Don't think that it is free. Definitely it is free for 1 year, but I don't want to say that it is free, because I observe that some students are coming after 1 year, after 2 years to me, and they are telling that, sir, I get a bill. Okay, so I don't want that problem. So I'm telling you, whatever you created, you can delete it, because you can create it anytime again. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? You have to be, because otherwise you will come after 1 year that, sir, I get 100 rupees bill, 500 rupees bill. It's okay. Okay. I hope you have seen this memo also. How did you end up with your poverty? Okay. He told that I have left the EC2 instance on. Okay. Cool. Now let assume if by any reason some bill came. Okay, there is a option. Okay, there is not an option. Okay, there is a chances you can retain that bill. Okay, you can go and open the support ticket. Okay, here is the link I'm giving to you. You have to provide your name, email address, full name, telephone number, company detail, and all these things, and you have to give the query. Okay, you have to select the nature will be billing. Okay, if the bill came, because I observe that some students get 30 rupees bill, 40 rupees bill. That's okay. If you're ready to pay, pay it. If you don't want to pay this bill also, you can go here and you can write something that I'm a student, I'm learning AWS. By mistake, I missed to delete that service. Please give a chance to revert my bill to 0. Okay, if you will return it, I will keep remember to delete the things in the future. Thanks in advance. If you will write this type of message that I am a student, they will return and they will make the bill 0. Is that okay?
Yes.
But this trick will not always work. Okay. What you are saying, Raghavendra?
I mean, I think we can do only once for one AWS account.
I'm not getting. Can you repeat it?
It can be done only for one time for one
Ah,
AWS account.
Obviously, the mistake can happen one time, right? You will not raise the ticket every week.
Yes, yes.
One time, okay, one time. Okay,
Got it, sir.
because next time you will remember for sure. Okay, so that's why this is the option, not an option, man. Okay, it's just a one of the solution kind of thing. Okay, if you get a bill, I'm giving you this link also. It's already in my PPT. You don't have to worry. Okay, and after that, yeah, if they are not reimbursing or if you face any of the problem, okay, here is the option support ticket. Okay, you can open the support ticket also with the AWS. In future, let assume you want to run something, it is not running or whatever it is. Okay, you can raise a support ticket. Let me open it. Copy link address. Let me open wherever you have a AWS account. You can open this link. Okay. Yeah. Okay. How can I help? You can go to the account billing, technical help. If you need some technical help, you can take it. You can try to search the answer, search the option, search the technical document here. If not, you can open the ticket as well. Okay. Or billing or account related things, you can open that whatever account related issue, billing related service, AWS, free tire, whatever the questions you have, we can raise it here and we can give some additional information and we can raise the ticket with them, and definitely within a 24 hours of duration they can help you out. Cool, because this help will be required when you are working in some of the resources. It is working, it is not working, you want to ask some questions with them, how much will be the charges. Obviously you can calculate everything, but if you need a help from the AWS itself, we can take with the help of this approach. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that's it from my side for the AWS. Now I would like to give a small break, okay, 5 minutes, and then we will start our workshop. Since you can feel free to ask any question, whatever you have. Cool? Are yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a small break. Okay, how many minutes? Tell me.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Okay, so let's come back in 5 minutes, and then we will continue in our workshop. Okay, you can feel free to ask any question in 5 minute duration. You can think the question as well. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, time is up. I'm back.